Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to learn about another company that sends you awesome free samples, stay tuned. And like always, like and subscribe. And now on to the rest of the video. Alright guys, I'm so excited. If you're new to my channel, I always try to get free samples. I like freebies galore. And if you haven't seen or heard about Sampler, it's a company that sends you free samples, and of course you need to review the products for them. So the company is called Sampler, and I'm actually really surprised that I got a big box like this. I usually get like a little manila folder, a little white manila folder style package, and it's usually like a few little tiny samples, but this time I got this box. I haven't really opened it up and to see. I just like cut it for the video. I'm really excited to open up and see what I got inside. Alright guys, so now let's open this up and see what we got. Alright. It goes, well, hello there. We'd like you to meet your new go-to products. So the first thing I see are chips. It is Garden of Eden, grain-free, original citrus-infused sea salt, made with organic cassava. Oh, cool. This is interesting. Why grain free? It just gives you a little bit of information there if you want to pause and read that. So I got 2 of those. My husband and I can test these out. The next thing I received, it is Persil Pro Clean detergent. Yes, this is great. And then they gave me, is it a coupon? Yes. A coupon for $2 off of Persil Pro Clean this. Let me know if you've tried this. Is it good? Is it worth it? Because I've tried the Persil liquid detergent, and I loved it. So I've never really tried one of these in the washing machine, so that'll be interesting to test out. I think it is J Coco. Is that how you pronounce it? J Coco 3 1-ounce bars. 1 bar equals 1 serving. So open this up. This is cute little. It is Joe Coco. The code for 20% off. What is chocolate? Let's see. Okay, let's see what it says. Colorful, craveable, rule-breaking chocolate. Allow us to introduce ourselves. We are Joe Coco, a gourmet chocolatier, crafting recipes that dare to be different. I don't know why. I just read it like that. Fresh from our woman-owned factory in Seattle, Washington. Okay, woman-owned right there. We're sort of like the Elle Woods of gourmet chocolate. Vibrant on the outside and surprisingly complex on the inside. The flavors in this trio are some of our favorites. You're welcome. But there are plenty more where these come from. Treat yourself and try them all. Flip over for a special offer from us to you. Ooh, guys, these are colorful chocolates. Let's see. The purple one is Black Fig Pistachio. It is 72% dark chocolate. Interesting. It smells good. It smells like chocolate. Well, obviously. The next one is Bali Sea Salt Toffee in milk chocolate. I'm kind of excited to try these. I love chocolate. Like, you guys don't know me, but I love chocolate. And the last one is Cayenne Veracruz Orange and white chocolate. This is, guys, I've never heard about this brand, but this is like a fancy schmancy brand. Oh, I'm excited to try this. Thank you, Sampler. Oh, I did have one more. I'm so wrapped up in the chocolate that I forgot there's one more product. And last but not least, it is Vasanti skincare or cosmetics. It is a tired of dark under eye circles, do the V. The V. What will it do for you? Instantly removes appearance of dark circles. Lightweight, looks natural. No one will know. You have it. Lasts all day, won't fade, never ashy, and makes you look brighter. Oh, so it's like the Dr. Brandt's, if you've ever gotten like FabFitFun or other companies that do makeup, I've gotten, you know what, I'll show you. Like the No More bags, but it's the Vasanti brand. Oh, I will be testing this out and letting you guys know if it's good or not. Interesting. I like that it shows you how it works right here, so that's exciting to try. It's a sampler. It's like it's hard to get sampled. Like you have to qualify for them, and when you qualify for them, they send it to you. I didn't even know I was gonna get this box, and I got it. So thanks to Sampler, and I'll put down a link down in the description so you guys can sign up for Sampler and get your free products. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. Bye now.